Let's learn how you can create welcome 2025 trend on TikTok using only TikTok and CapCut applications. So first let us start by opening our TikTok application. You want to search and find your template. So write welcome 2025. Now scroll down. I will show you this one that I showed on the video start. So you'll have to click on CapCut, try this template. Here you click on use template in CapCut. And you will have to click once more use template. Now just select images you want. And here it is. This will be the preview of our video, as you can see here. To finish adding this video, you'll have to add it on TikTok, as you can see. Just click on add sound in TikTok and it will export. So now you'll have to edit and add sound to your TikTok. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.